You clever pogs may have finished that first challenge. However, you'll never complete this one. My evilness has gone to new heights. I have stolen one of your teacher's maths lessons, and I'm going to use it as the challenge. You will never be able to solve this. My evilness knows no bounds.
Hi guys, so today I've got a really fun puzzle for you to do. Let's have a look at what we'll be doing for maths today. So the first thing I want you to do is have a look at this step pattern. What do you notice? One thing that I noticed is that if you have one step up, there is only one cube. If you have two steps up, 1, 2, there are actually 3 cubes. If you have 3 steps up, 1, 2, 3, there are 6 cubes. And if you have 4 steps up, 1, 2, 3, 4, there are 10 cubes. I find that quite amazing, don't you? Now, what I'd like you to think about is, well, how many cubes would you need for 5 steps up? How many would you need for 6 steps up? And how many would you need for 7 steps up? I wonder if you can come up with a rule for this pattern. The most important thing that I'd like you to do is, could you describe what is happening each time you make a new step? Now, this can be quite tricky, so you might need to draw what is happening to show your thinking. One thing that you can do is get some Lego bricks or some pasta and make the steps yourself. That would really help you figure out how many you're going to have in the next lot of steps. For those of you who think you're finding this a little bit easy, I've got an extra super hard challenge for you though. I wonder if there is a formula to tell me how many blocks there are for 20 steps. To tell me how many blocks there are for 100 steps or 1,000 steps. It would take us ages to lay out all of those blocks. But is there an easier way of figuring it out? Now, one thing that I noticed when I was looking at this step here, it's almost a full square, 3 by 3, or 4 by 4. I wonder if there's anything that you know about areas of squares that might help you with that formula. But remember, it's not quite a full square, is it? It's almost like it's almost been chopped in half. But not quite. There's a bit more than half there. Give it a go. See if you can figure out the formula or the rule to describe what is happening each time you add another set of steps. Good luck.